Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. Now, the NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half. Let's take a look at what's moving the broader markets this morning with continued news out of the Middle East. All sectors were lower going into the open as investors try to discern if this is a lot of sound of fury that in the end won't amount to much of anything geopolitically, or if we were in fact on the cusp of another war in the Middle East. Gold, regarded as a safe haven asset, that was in demand, rising to near 7-year peak. Our first chart of the day, the Nasdaq-100, it's trading lower by about 0.4%, certainly off the lows at the open, with Norton, LifeLock, Activision, Electronic Arts, Vertex, and Alphabet outperforming, while KLA-10 Core, Analog Devices, Applied Materials, Trip.com, and Dollar Tree, they're all lagging. For this week, in addition to geopolitics, we'll be watching the Consumer Electronics Show in Vegas. That's January 6th through the 10th, as carriers and mobile operators will demonstrate the latest advancements in 5G. Many of the Nasdaq 100 companies have exposure to 5G. The only Nasdaq 100 company reporting earnings is Walgreens before the open on January 8th. A number of Fed presidents will be on the speaking circuit, and the key jobs report for December comes out this Friday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Certainly a very busy start to 2020. We have it all covered for you right here on Trade Talks from the Nasdaq market site in New York City. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.